Main changes introduced under the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019. Introduction. The Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019 brought major reforms to the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988 with the aim of improving road safety, reducing traffic accidents, strengthening law enforcement, and ensuring better protection and compensation for victims. The amendment reflects a modern approach by introducing strict penalties, use of technology, and greater accountability of authorities. Increase in traffic penalties and fines. One of the most important changes is the sharp increase in fines and punishments for traffic offences. Penalties for overspeeding, drunken driving, dangerous driving, not wearing helmets or seatbelts, and driving without license have been increased. This change acts as a strong deterrent and encourages people to follow traffic rules strictly. Protection of Good Samaritans. The Act formally recognizes and protects Good Samaritans who help accident victims. They cannot be forced to reveal their identity or be harassed by police or courts. This change encourages people to assist injured persons immediately, which helps in saving lives. Enhanced compensation for hit-and-run cases. The Amendment Act increases the compensation payable to victims of hit-and-run accidents. It also simplifies procedures so that victims or their families can receive compensation faster and with less difficulty, showing the welfare nature of the law. Accountability of road contractors and authorities. A major change introduced is fixing responsibility on road contractors, consultants, and authorities for defects in road design, construction, or maintenance that lead to accidents. This ensures better road quality and greater accountability. Use of technology in traffic enforcement. The Act allows the use of electronic and digital methods such as CCTV cameras, speed detection devices, and electronic challenges for enforcing traffic laws. This promotes transparency, reduces corruption, and ensures effective enforcement. Regulation of driving licenses and training. The amendment introduces stricter rules for issuing driving licenses. Driving schools and training centers are now regulated, ensuring that drivers are properly trained before being allowed to drive on public roads. Protection of children and minors. The Act introduces strict punishment for offenses involving juveniles driving vehicles. Parents or vehicle owners can be held responsible, and registration of the vehicle may be cancelled. This change promotes safety of children and discourages underage driving. National Road Safety Board. The Act provides for the establishment of a National Road Safety Board, which will advise the government on road safety standards, vehicle safety, and traffic management. This ensures expert guidance and uniform safety policies. Vehicle fitness and safety standards. Stricter norms have been introduced for vehicle fitness tests and safety standards. Unsafe and unfit vehicles can be removed from roads, reducing accidents caused by mechanical failures. Central government's increased role. The amendment empowers the central government to make rules regarding vehicle standards, licenses, and safety measures, ensuring uniformity across states and effective implementation of road safety policies. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019 has introduced significant and progressive changes to address the growing problem of road accidents in India. By increasing penalties, improving enforcement, protecting Good Samaritans, and ensuring accountability, the Act aims to make Indian roads safer and more disciplined. It is an important welfare legislation and highly relevant for LLB examinations.